Welcome to Longlive tutorial video. To make sure you get most out of your Longlive app, let's explore together all the features and potential benefits of using Longlive. Let's dive into Longlive My Profile section. Once you launch the app, you will see this circular icon on the upper right corner on the My Day screen. Let's click on it. This screen greets you with two sections: Account and Others. You can first start with customizing your account according to your preferences. Simply click on Personal Data and update your personal information so Longlive is able to know you and you better. Next up is the Others section. If there are any settings that you need to change, such as your password or whether you want to receive notifications by the app, this is the space for it. If you want to reach out to Longlive, you can instantly head over to Get Help and share your queries or concerns with us. Longlive looks forward to supporting you from here and also welcomes feedback at any time in the app. So, click on Give Feedback and share your experience with us. At any point in time, if you like to remind yourself how Longlive manages and keeps your information safe, make sure you read our privacy policy. We are committed to being completely transparent with you. When you move further down the screen, you can also choose to either remove your account or log out of the app at any point in time. Longlive makes handling your profile as seamless as possible so you can quickly adjust your account settings whenever you like. Enjoy Longlive and thank you for being a part of Healthy Ages community. For more tips, subscribe to the Longlive channel on YouTube and follow Longlive on Facebook and LinkedIn.